Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox avatar items. To begin, you'll need to understand the specific requirements set by Roblox for item creation. This includes knowing the types of items you can make, such as clothing, accessories, or even body parts. You'll also need to gather the right software, like a three-dimensional modeling program and a texture editor, to bring your designs to life. Finally, always review Roblox's detailed asset creation guidelines to ensure your items meet all technical and content standards. Next, we move into the design and three-dimensional modeling phase. Start by sketching out your item concept, gathering visual references to guide your creation. Then, use a program like Blender or Maya to sculpt the item's mesh. It's crucial to keep an eye on the polygon count. Roblox typically recommends keeping meshes under a certain limit, often around 4,000 to 10,000 triangles for optimal performance. This ensures your item loads quickly and looks great in-game. Once your model is complete, it's time for texturing and rigging. Develop detailed textures using software like Substance Painter or Photoshop to give your item its unique look and feel. Apply these textures to your three-dimensional model through UV mapping, ensuring they wrap correctly. For items that need to move with the avatar, like clothing or accessories, you'll need to rig them to the Roblox avatar skeleton. This involves assigning vertices to bones, allowing your item to animate seamlessly with player movements. Finally, we reach the upload and configuration stage. After your item is modeled, textured, and rigged, upload all the necessary assets, such as the mesh and textures, to the Roblox platform. You'll then configure its properties, setting the item type, a suitable price in Robux, and a compelling description. Before making it available to the public, thoroughly test your item within a Roblox experience to check for any visual glitches or animation issues. This ensures a high-quality product for players.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.